why what the cross of Christ provided is reconciliation. That's why it is the gospel of reconciliation, to announce that God is no more angry with you. Everything you will need to unite with God has been provided. And church people, instead of preaching the victory of Christ, they go to preach Satan's support. You are a sinner. You are an evil person. You are an evil person. Even if you are born again and you sin, you have lost salvation. So they are preaching for Satan to advance his kingdom. Meanwhile, what we are given to preach is the reconciliation. Because the defeat of Satan is in the union of God with man, irrespective of man. God commended his love toward us in that while we were, that is where the victory is. That while you are yet a sinner, you hear the message, you believe the message, right where you are liberated by the power of what Jesus has done. Say, I hear you.
Amefanya kazi kamili, yeah. Tulipewa huduma, si ya kuwahukumu, bali ya kuwapatanisha na Baba. Tunamwonyesha Yesu, si dhambi zao, ni Yesu aliyefanyika dhambi kwa ajili yetu. Sisi ni wasambazaji wa Injili, tunahubiri Kristo, si hukumu. Shetani ni mshtaki, lakini Kristo ndiye ukombozi wetu. Hakuna hukumu kwa walio ndani yake, hakuna hukumu milele. Mungu hatuhesabu wenye dhambi, tena ametupa ujumbe wa upatanisho. Tunawa